This is Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center. We present today bookkeeping advice for new e-commerce business owners. The accounting, bookkeeping, and tax requirements of a new e-commerce business might be confusing and perplexing to new e-commerce entrepreneurs. That is a shame, since if someone has recognized a wonderful new category and successfully developed a web presence, they should not have to deal with the financial details. The entrepreneur should concentrate on generating traffic, margins, and cash profits. With that in mind, here are some tips. Tip number 1. Don't combine. A true corporation, whether a C corporation or a S corporation, imposes more difficult tax accounting and slew of state reporting obligations on your company. You don't want to deal with all this red tape, at least not until you have made a profit. Instead, make your company a single proprietorship. If you are worried about legal liabilities, consider forming a one-owner limited liability company or LLC. For tax reasons, a one-owner LLC is regarded as if it were a sole proprietorship. Tip number 2. Begin your business before investing. Expenses made before you start a business, that is, before you get a business license and sell or try to sell your stuff, are not particularly deductible. You can most likely deduct the first $5,000 of these charges. Any sums beyond $5,000, however, must be amortized over the next 15 years. This means you should start your firm before investing in advertising, training, web development, accountants, and lawyers, among other things. Tip number 3. You are obligated by law, and many individuals are unaware of this, to keep an accounting system that allows you to properly measure your income. In practice, this means you will need a program like Quicken or QuickBooks. However, you should go above and beyond just using desktop accounting software. Make sure you're using online banking and bill paying services that connect your accounting system to your banks. For example, you want to be able to shift money from PayPal to your bank to QuickBooks as quickly as feasible. Tip number 4. Before hiring employees, hire a payroll service. Many successful e-commerce business owners are able to run their businesses without the help of workers. And if that's the case for you, great. However, if and when you do require workers, do not attempt to handle payroll on your own. Payroll is outsourced to a large payroll service agency like ADP, Payroll, or QuickBooks. These services are not cheap. $1,000 to $2,000 each year is a reasonable estimate. However, the services allow you to avoid the bookkeeping headache known as payroll, as well as avoid paying payroll taxes. Thanks for listening. Visit us at https://my-learning-center.teachable.com for quality ebooks, audiobooks, and HD video courses. Join our Facebook group, My Learning Center, and subscribe to our channel, My Learning Center, on YouTube.